My name's Andrew Smith. I live locally in Mold. The project behind us is a property that we bought, and we've wanted to renovate the building when we first purchased it, and that's what we've been able to do with the help of the funding. Yeah, so when we purchased the property, we had plans. It was probably going to be quite a minimal restoration of the building, but because of the funding that became available, we were able to expand the scope of the renovation, so we were able to achieve a lot more with the property than we initially thought was possible. There's 3 units. 2 of the units were in reasonable condition, but 1 was derelict and had been empty for some years. So the funding really helped us to completely renovate that 3rd unused shop so that it could be used again. And also we were able to do a lot of improvements to the outside of the building. Visually, it was very poor, signage, it was just in a very, very poor condition. So we've been able to kind of get it back up to a good standard, and there's been a lot of good positive comments from the local people as to the improvements. Also, the SPF funding enabled us to make a car park. So the land was kind of unkempt, but the SPF funding meant that we were able to block pave that, gave parking for the tenants, and it just improved the general approach and visibility of the property. The building that was completely renovated, now that has a hairdresser in there, and initially she was working alone, but she's now been able to accommodate a further 3 possible hairdressers in there, so it has had the result that potentially more employment in that unit, so that's been a good result. Yeah, well, Jonathan and Jade, the 2 officers that have helped me through the process, it's been really good. They've been always available, helpful. There was a lot of work with the application, and I received a lot of support with that, and that really, I think, enabled us to move it forward. So yeah, we've appreciated that. With the improvements that have been made to the property, it's really rejuvenated the area. The footfall definitely has increased, particularly with the new businesses that are in the property, and that really kind of aligns with the Buckley placemaking plan. Yeah, so I think the SPF funding has made me, as a local and small developer, look at more projects within Buckley. We're currently just completing the 2nd project, and we are looking at the potential of a 3rd project in Buckley Town Centre. So the scheme really has had a positive effect on the likes of myself, and I know others that I'm in contact with are also looking perhaps now at the scheme and seeing if they can apply.